To get started, locate the On button on the top panel of the Accu-Stic. After pressing the On button, the Accu-Stic will run through its startup verification settings and automatically return to peak mode. Push and hold down the battery check button. The display should read 8 volts or more. If the display reads lower than 8 volts, remove the clip cap in the front surface of the receiver handle, gently pull out the battery clip, change 4 AA batteries in each clip, then reinstall. If using the transmitter in the camera head, remember to switch to Transmit on the monitor or control box. The transmit function will cause you to lose the picture on the monitor screen. Transmission is indicated by a white snow pattern dancing across the monitor. On our newer systems, is indicated on the screen by a flashing transmitting text. Proper orientation of the Accu-Stic is very important for accurate location of the signal from the sonde or the camera. Following diagrams and videos show the proper orientation of the Accu-Stic. Peak is used for reading the signal from the transmitter directly under the bottom or nose of the receiver. Most locating is done in peak mode. Here is a quick demonstration of how the peak setting works. Null is used for verification and reads the signal on either side of the transmitter. When you switch to Null, you will null out right over the transmitter, but pick up signal as you move to either side of the signal. Here is a quick demonstration of how the Null setting works. This diagram shows the correlation of peak and null in regards to the transmitter. If you have no idea where the transmitter is underground, turn the gain knob up high and point the receiver in several directions. Move in the direction that creates the loudest output sound from the receiver. As you get closer to the transmitter signal, keep turning the gain down until the only time you hear a sound is when you are directly over the signal. Use the null setting to verify your location. Once you've established the location of the head using the audio sound signal, press the depth button on the top of the handle and wait for several seconds. You will see the lights on the control panel blink while the receiver is in depth mode. Turn the receiver around to read the depth on the small LCD screen. When you've established the depth, press the depth button once more to release the depth red signal. Green blinking lights on the front of the panel will return to normal indication of peak or null. Note, a default depth of 20 feet will be displayed if the Accu-Stic is not picking up the transmitter. The following is a full demonstration of the proper use of the Accu-Stic. Please note that the transmitting camera head is located halfway down the clear pipe at the bottom of the screen. Remember to make sure the camera head or sonde is level in the pipe for best results. Remember to mark the location once you have established it. Remember to turn the power off when the Accu-Stic is not in use. If you need further instructions, please feel free to contact us toll-free at 1-800-328-8170.